Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can actually oxidize copper in Minecraft. So first of all, I'm using the 1.18 version of Minecraft. If you have any other version it will still work for you, unless you don't have the version that contains copper in it, of course. So if you don't have any copper in your game, please update the game to the latest version, because the latest version are so hyped and so good to play. Don't miss them out. So let's go ahead and open our world, and you do the same as well. What you could do now is get your copper blocks, just like so. Copper, just like so, and let's get the normal ones, which will be looking something like that. Okay, so basically how you can actually oxidize on a copper is by doing something like that and grabbing an axe and like, wait, let's go to the normal game mode, survival. And what you could do basically is you have to get an enchantment that will help you actually oxidize this copper, or else you can just put it like something like that, like that, like that. And what this will basically do is will oxidize your copper, and after they will oxidize, like, you have to give them a little bit of time. So for example, let's give them a little bit of time, just like so, and you have to put them this way. You don't have, like, you don't do place them something like that, like place them together. No, you have to place them like something like that, like really far away, like at least 4 blocks. I usually put them in my single player world like 8 blocks away, but you can put them like that. You do something like that. And once again, in other versions of Minecraft you could actually use the axe to oxidize the copper, but in these ones you can't. And again, how you can, like, for example, you didn't really want to oxidize it, you wanted to keep it safe, like to keep it at the same color as it is. What you have to do is to get honey, and basically, for example, let's get something like that, creative mode, and let's get some honey, like that, honeycomb, sorry, something like so. And what you have to do is go on survival, and you can wax them on. And again, you can unwax them using your axe, just like so. So you can make them oxidized, but if you want again to keep them oxidized, like to keep them at the same form, you can just put your honey on them and they will be in this shape forever. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.